can share your screen.
Okay, sir. My screen visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So first, I want to give one code. Let me check who is able to solve. One tech challenge. Let me put in front of you. The code I have actually received from HackerRank. So who is able to take it? I'm putting in my chat box because you have done the core Java. So these things you need to implement. Actually, I have how I will share. Hmm. Okay, let me open my course. Are you ready, guys, to do a code to check the basic things and able to share your screen also? Okay, I will proceed also. Because you need Java, so you have to hide. Let me scan through. Okay, I'm putting in chat box. Everyone, please try it once. How is the logic that you are able to do? And those who are not able to do, don't worry. They can just try and be with and take this code for your future use also. So where is I'm putting? How I will say chat box? Okay, you are able to view my screen now. I am directly opening. Just click that. Any one of this because yeah. Yeah, my screen visible. Hello,
No,
hello,
sir. Only
everyone.
blank
No, sir.
screen.
No, sir.
Okay,
Only
only
the
blank.
cursor is visible.
Okay, okay. So it is taking time to open. Okay, this program is visible to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please try. Any one of success it. If anyone solve it, then please not.
How I send the code, sir? I can do
No, no need to send the code. If you able to write the code perfectly, then good. I will check that.
yeah, it's it. I can write using to for loop. I can do it.
Yeah, please do it. Let me
Yeah.
check. So my screen is visible. All of you, please try. If you have written, I will stop. Then I will start. In between, you can start writing your code, and I will do the server settings and all. Okay, have you written? Anyone respond? Have you written the program?
Sir, I'm writing, sir.
No writing. Have you written the question? Because I need to stop that.
Just hold on, sir.
Okay. If you have done, then please.
Yeah.
Whenever I will come to your classes, I will put some question in front of you, like basic programming. You have to solve it. And I will give only 10 minutes, not more, because 13, 1:15 is going on. 1:25 I will just stop.
Yeah, sir. I had completed the second part, B1.
Okay, you have completed. Please try both one.
Okay.
Okay, I'm just stop soon because I have to.
Second one all done.
Second one done.
Yes, sir.
First one.
Sir, trying, sir.
That's right. Okay, I am just stop this share screen. I think you have noted down the questions already,
Okay.
and I am giving the 10 minutes. So everyone try, because it is if you will try, don't attempt. If anyone not able to do, please try, because it is a practice. Okay. If you I am not giving to lectures every time, because you need to also improve, you need to also do. So sometimes I will give you the that mark. Everyone please write the code in this meeting. Who is the Java developer? Okay, so you have to write the code, just fit in your mind, whatever for loop, while loop, what you want to use, and I will check everybody question also.
Sir,
How much you have tried?
Both. I've done both the
Okay.
questions.
Good. Okay, who have done the both, please share your screen. Okay.
हाँ नहा लीजिए 45 मिनट हो गया 45 मिनट हो गया
अच्छा, other can mute. Okay, who are not doing, please mute. Today I will teach you big things. So who have done the both question, please share your screen.
Sir, actually I had not joined from my laptop. I had joined from my mobile, so I'm not.
So you have done coding in your mobile?
No, sir. It's on my pen and paper.
Pen and paper.
Yeah.
But you have to run now. Okay. Other who have done the both? Anyone? What about Anupama Sen? Have you done?
Sir, give us little time. Just I'm typing in laptop, sir. Just give us time.
Okay. You have typed it, then please share your screen. Anyone share your screen? Anupama Sen, Pranesh Kulkarni. क्या हुआ यार, एक पैटर्न कोड दिया तुम लोगों को, क्या हो गया? हेलो
Sir, my laptop is not working. Sorry, sir.
Maximum are not here to. Okay. What about Simran Takri? Have you done? Simran, Amit Pal Singh. Respond करो यार.
Sir, actually I have done first one, second one, but my laptop is not working now.
Sir, I had done both the questions.
But in pen paper, na?
Yeah. Sir, I can
you
share
have done
the log.
Yeah, so share it. Okay, you have done it, na? So then please share. You have done in pen and paper.
Yeah.
Okay, no issue. Then you can. I am just sharing my Eclipse. You can write it here. I am giving control to you. Is it possible? Your program is running because I want to check your logic, and others can also. If they are facing the issue, they can also check.
Sir,
Amit Pal Singh, are you comfortable?
Sir, wait a second. I will join from my laptop. It will take
Okay.
2. Wait a second.
Please. Voting to. In between, Amit Pal, if you have done, then tell me.
Yes, sir. Wait a second. I am joining from my laptop. It will take 2 minutes. Give me 2 minutes.
No issue, no issue, no issue. Okay. Acha, everyone has a setup Eclipse, Workbench, and MySQL. Anyone facing issue here, machine related, machine setup? Anyone machine setup issue? Who are new also joined. Machine setup is also necessary. Let me ask one by one. You will respond. Okay. What about Manisha? Manisha, what you have done? Sritam, your machine setup done. Saurabh Sharma. Sritam, your machine setup done.
Yes, sir. I have done in my copy, sir.
Which machine setup?
Proper Eclipse. Hello.
Sir, everything I have done, sir.
Uh-huh. Okay. Who is Simran, Saurabh Sharma? Everyone done machine setup.
Yes, sir.
Anirban, you have done. Ishita Rawat. Who is very new? Ishita Rawat. Who is very new? Ishita Rawat. I think you are very new, no?
Yes, sir. No, sir. I attended last class also.
Okay. Your machine is properly working. Eclipse, MySQL, Workbench, total.
Yes, sir. This is my second class.
No, machine setup. You can
Yes,
able to
sir.
write Eclipse,
Yes, sir.
database, all. That is good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then you guys need server related concept, hosting related concept. Okay. So, okay, who is sharing the screen? Amit Pal Singh. Who something?
Sir, background noise is coming, sir. Anyone?
I said if you have done the coding, you can share. Hello, Amit. Are you able to?
Hello,
you have
sir.
completed your.
I have done the code. Can I share?
Okay, please.
Sir, could you please share me your mail?
Mail. You can share the screen so that
Okay,
others
sir.
can
Just
also.
hold on, sir. I'm connecting my laptop. Just hold on, sir. I'm there.
Hello, sir. Sir, I'm getting background noise is coming, sir, guys.
Background.
Sir, my name
Sritam, please fast. Okay. It's already
Sir, already
1:35. So you can fast.
I'm connecting, sir. I'm connecting, sir. Just hold on 30 minutes, sir. If you want, I can share in group code, whole code.
In group, not share your screen so that you can explain, other can understand who is not able to do.
Okay, just hold on, sir. Just give me 2 minutes. I'm connecting.
Yeah, we will work as a team. Okay.
God.
Acha, you told us that Prasantoda has took the class of JDBC, na?
Yes, sir. JDBC and OOPS concept.
That OOPS concept. So, Nilesh, how many types of drivers?
Four, sir.
4 types of driver. And which type of driver right now we all are using? And what are the types of driver if you have?
Sir, can
Yes, yes. Hello, who is this? Hello. Can you repeat again? Your voice is not coming. Hello.
Sir, can I share now?
Yeah.
This is the code I have done, sir.
Explain also.
Explain. Okay, sir.
Yes. Who is not able to do, please explain.
Just hold on, sir. Let me, sir. Are you able to see my whole screen?
Yes.
My command prompt, are you able to see?
Command prompt, not command prompt.
Okay,
Share
let
your
me
full
share again.
screen.
Are you able to see, sir? This code,
Other
sir?
can response also. Yeah. Right now, yeah. Explain your code. Your output is coming.
Sir, I have taken a for loop, sir. It will iterate. For iteration, I have taken a for loop. Again, another for loop I have taken. Inside for loop, I am checking under that second for loop is starting from 1 and it's going to ith look from ith time. If I will first 1 will come and it will check condition will true or false. It's true. Then it will come to inside. From inside it will again that for loop will iterate. So it will check. I will start and it will go from ith time. J will start and it will go from ith time. So it will check the condition is true or false. So 1 is equal to 1. So it's true. So it will come to inside. From then it will check if j greater than j totally divided by 2 and its giving reminder is 0, then it will print star. Otherwise it will print hash. And after all these iteration, then it will break the line and come to next line. So in this way I have done so. I think you got some.
Okay. That is good. Okay. Any other who have not completed, they can ask the question from him, because I think this code is properly right. Okay, run it once.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes. I think code is right, sir.
You have done the second one?
Sorry, sir?
Second question, two question one there.
Sir, in the
second you have.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, actually the star should be at the first position.
Okay, I'm doing. Actually, it's reverse if you Yes, sir. I'm changing it. It's reverse, sir.
Logic is good.
Yes, sir. Logic is
As
same, but
and
it's reverse, sir.
Yes, sir.
just change.
Yes, sir. I'm changing, sir.
Good.
Now it's right now.
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir.
It's right.
Okay, sir. Now I'm doing next one.
Shridham,
हेलो,
श्रीतम
सर. Yes, sir.
श्रीतम सौरभ बोल रहा हूँ.
हाँ हाँ मैं
तो
लॉजिक
जे
बंद
इक्वल
कर
टू
लिया.
1 दे दो ना. जे इक्वल टू 1 दो. जे इक्वल टू 1 दे दो और उसके जो जे इज लेस देन
रुको
इक्वल टू
रुको
आई
रुको
दे.
रुको रुको. 5 से स्टार्ट होगा. तो फिर क्या आएगा? Transition. First, 3 to 1 watch. I think it's done, sir. Hello, sir. Hello. Hello. Hello.
I think the sir's mic is on mute.
Hello.
Hello, I think
Yeah,
sir's
it's done,
mic
sir.
is on
It's
mute.
done, sir.
Sir's mic is on mute, seems to be. Maybe you can ping on
Hello.
chat. Maybe you can ping Sandeep Hasman sir directly on chat and see whether he responds.
Already.
Yeah, hello, audible?
Yeah, I have done, sir. Check it,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, sorry, I got this. Okay, run it. Run in front.
So this one.
Okay, good. Okay, who have not?
Thank you, sir.
We have anyone have not done the code completed? Who have not completed? Please share in your chat box. Also, in the chat box.
I have to share code, sir.
Share the code.
Okay, sir.
Share the code. Share the code and stop share screen. First share the code. And who have any query? Because the first we need to understand that we need to work as
I
a
have
team.
to explain.
So, anyone question, because I think the code is already correct. So
Sorry,
anyone
sir.
from my team, anyone any question, they can ask from me. Yeah, share the code.
Your voice is breaking up, sir.
Right now, okay? Hello, I am audible?
Yes, sir.
I am telling that share the code, and also anyone any question they can ask, and stop share your screen.
Yes, sir. I have already shared that code. Now I'm stopping my screen.
Stop. Okay, let me ask some question related to what is Jeep and jar. You guys know Jeep, jar, because these basic things you know. So what is Jeep? Because first when I'm going to show you the things related to server,
Sir, your
because
voice
what
is breaking up, sir.
I'm not breaking. Okay, let me देखो.
ये घूमे कौन मैं तो शोषण पट्टी तो वाला बोल अरे शुरू करते हैं शुरू करें মাথা পাচ্ছে এখানে ঘুমায় কেন তাহলে কত পড়ে যাবে মাথা উঠবে
Hello. Am I audible? Hello. Hello, team. I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
See, this is our hosting panel. If any issue related to my audio, please ping me. Don't skip this thing. This is very vital thing. So here we generally this is the domain. So in the domain section, we don't need to do anything. We have the hosting details like we have Astra Scientific. So Astra Scientific hosting details is there. So astrascientific.com, we have registered here. This is the IP address and all. In the main things we do inside the file manager. Okay, because whenever you are going to a big company like MNCs, so you have to be aware about this thing. They will ask because every time you don't need to do your code in your local, you have to sometimes jump on the server. So without server knowledge, you will not able to perfectly. They will not give you the credit. They will think that you don't know anything. So generally, the server related thing, what is that? We have to put the code, the project inside the server because so there is a two type server. First of
Hello,
all,
sir.
local server, and this is the hosting server.
Hello.
So in the hosting server, there is the file.
Sir, is
Yes. Yes. Can you repeat what is the question? Hello. Hello. Can you repeat what is the question? Hello. Hello. What is the question? Can you repeat? Who is asking? Hello. Who is asking? Can you repeat? Yeah, yeah. Who told? What is the question? Anyone asked? No. Okay. Leave it. This is the file. Okay. File section. You have to go on the file. Everything inside our file. So generally we have Tomcat. So Tomcat is what basically anyone can group. What is Tomcat? Because you are already installed everything. What is Tomcat? Anyone
Tomcat
from
is a web server for running WAR files.
Waterfall. So there are generally Tomcat is a server that support to your server side communication. So there is a lot of you can say the third party clients. So they are delivering our drivers. There is not only Tomcat. There is the IBM and also there's one Glassfish. These are the basically inbuilt server that are coming. That you NetBeans have anyone use that much supporting the Glassfish server. So like that also inside the server in the hosting. So this is the place. This is our third party vendor company in the related to server. They are also providing some Tomcat. So in the Tomcat there is a lot of features. Okay, Tomcat 8, Tomcat 7, Tomcat 9, Tomcat 6 also. But we will always prefer the updated version. Okay, because if you will go into the struts, struts does not support Tomcat 9. But if you're going to XML annotation, these are the supportable. Okay, so both combination of Tomcat 8, Java 8 and Tomcat 9. This is the totally supportable. So this is the basic things. You have to log in the server, go to the file sections, and here in the Tomcat 9 you will click. So there will be the folder. So lot of folder you can see. Okay. So inside the folder, so what is the basic thing? Inside the folder there is a web app. Web app. What is web app? Everyone has done the code. So there is a web app folder in your project also. So web app is generally basic the heart of the server. Heart of the server. If anything miss inside that, if you deleted anything here, it is going to your hosting details will going to correct. Again, you have to connect the hosting company. So web app is generally basically here we generally do all hosting. Okay. So here you can see that WAR file there. So generally we host our WAR file. So how to make the WAR? So you guys know. If you don't know, I will give you one demo in front of you how to make the WAR, and you have to host it here. Okay. So you need to WAR. You cannot host your Jeep. Jeep is not extractable. So you need to only host in WAR. So let me. I am sharing my screen also. I'm just stop sharing. Is the screen visible? Hello? Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Who are no, they can skip. Who are very freshers, they can stay here. They can. I will come again. What is logger? Then I will come to this thing. Okay, these things are very much required. Whenever you are going for the big company, I am going for the big company, big company. They ask me how to do this thing because this is programming you can do, but also you have the basic knowledge that is the hosting, how the hosting works. So here you can see export. I'm just doing one export, and your WAR file is coming. Okay, so you can also export. You can write this. So WAR. Okay. In the making of WAR, you have to also be conscious. There is a three options. Okay. Optimize specific server runtime, export source files, and override the existing files. So what is the optimize for the specific server runtime? Don't check on this. Whenever you are doing, yeah, they will ask what is optimized service specific runtime. If you check here, it will only optimize for Tomcat 9. It is not going to run on the Tomcat X. So we generally don't click this. Please uncheck it. It is not required to run. Export source file, this is okay, and overwriting existing files is not required. And just browse from here. So here you can check anything that I'm choosing E sales ports inside that I have chosen, and I'm just finish export. So export is very easy. Okay, but don't share your file in the WAR. Generally, WAR basically what they do, they just hide your sublet. Always share your file. If you are within your team, then you can share your file in zip. I will also train you to how to make the zip. Okay, this is the WAR. So WAR is generally required for the hosting. Whenever going for the server related thing, you need WAR. Okay. It will take some time because my project is very big. In the Astra Scientific, you cannot blame. There is a 118 servlet. More than 180. I think 200 servlet. And more than 300 GSP pages. And 4,000 XML. See how I have managed this project. Yeah, obviously one more project is coming for all of your knowledge. One more shopping cart project is coming for Boot and Angular. Be prepare yourself for Boot and Angular. Achha, anyone has completed from this group Boot and Angular complete setup? from backend to frontend? Anyone? Sritam, have you done? Sritam, Sawan Rai. Sritam, have you done the Vue and Angular? No? I'm audible? Hello? Sritam?
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir.
Why you are not responding, yaar? तुम लोग मीटिंग में रहो, देखो मैं Sritam, are you there? Okay, who are in this not in the meeting room? They try to be there. If I will skip here, you will skip also. No one will teach you this thing. Okay, in your entire life, I can guarantee you. Okay, I have made the work. So there is something E folder and inside myself. So there is a scientific work. Right? So go to that server. So here the server. So we have basically cPanel, Piles, these two servers in our organization we are generally using. So cPanel is little bit hard to understood. There is a more if you have Linux background, then you can go there. In the more next week, I'll get the chance. I will go there the Linux how to operate. And first PLSK I will even see that on the plus. Oh, it is no, the Rani did not. Okay, Sritam, your question is Jelastic. What is Jelastic? I don't know Jelastic. It is. I don't.
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes.
I was saying which frontend you have shown. It's a Jelastic domain or something else. Like Jelastic is like we can host there over there also. Java servlet we can host over there also.
See, there is a more thing, but I don't prefer because we
Sorry,
want
sir.
security.
Hello.
Yeah.
Sorry, sir. Sorry,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
Sorry, sir. I couldn't get you, sir.
I am saying that there are a lot of inbuilt third-party vendors they are providing, but generally we choose the secure thing because we need to because we have to give the something because sometimes what happens you are putting something but it is going to be it is going to visible to all of the public though. So we generally choose that party vendor that is able to provide the security. So because security is the best thing, because I am going to show you something, how much data we have.
Sir, for security purpose, we can work on SSL, and another thing is servlet security is also there.
See, SSL will not provide you the full security. Okay, security means not like that your face security. I'm asking about data security.
Sir, so then we have to go for SSL.
SSL, we are what? SSL, you don't know what is SSL. SSL is working for your page payment. If something data you are putting in your website, then it is not going to be secure. You like something payment you are doing. So if something website is not SSL secure by Google verified, so you cannot put the payment directly. That is SSL. I'm not talking about SSL. SSL is another certificate that we need to import in our website. I
Yes,
am
sir.
talking about server data. There is a lot of data. Okay, don't think that you are doing coding and putting in the server everything is okay. Your code is, you have to put a PDF file, sometimes images, sometimes sometimes images, sometimes lot of things. So you
Then, sir,
have to, that
which
have to
domain?
be also.
Sir, someone background sound is coming, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
I'm audible. Yes, yes. Just wait a minute.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
trying to. See, in any organization, you don't have to do already code. You have to some supporting purpose. So supporting purpose, MNC what need to check what you have done. So they ask you, you have done any server related thing that I am giving you, so that you can work.
So I just want to know, sir, which domain you are using? Like I said, Jelastic. Jelastic also a company standard. So that's why I just want to say which domain you are using, sir, for hosting purpose.
See, we have the domain now, scientific.com. We
Okay,
have
sir. Okay.
we own this domain. Oh, domain is different and server is different. Okay, domain is what you have a .com. That is domain.
Yes, sir.
That is our domain scientific.com. That we have buy from the from vendor. Okay, and also okay. Let me what was the files and also
Then which server, sir?
this is classic.
Sir, it's
Top,
Tomcat.
Tomcat 9.
Yes, sir.
And beside the web apps, we have to just import here file folder and upload your file, and you can choose your that. So you can put it here and extract. Okay, that is the thing one, that uploading. Next thing, what is the security purpose that I am asking? Okay, let me go. We have lot of images.
Sir, your
Okay,
screen is not visible, sir.
not visible. Yeah, it is visible. Not visible. File manager.
No, sir. Screen is not visible.
Will you have shared, but it is not. Blank is coming. Okay, now visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Generally in web apps, we need to whatever the things that is generally stored in web apps. So what is the purpose that I'm showing you? So the data. So data generally they see how many data we have. Lot of data, lot of images back up. So these images are storing now. So if I open my website, and if you go to some Curiosity Analyzer, so this is our data. This is our data. Okay, these images somewhere I have stored. So I have stored here now. This is coming from here. RSIP doc. So I'm talking about this data. Don't put any another platform. You need to secure. And this is a very cost. This is very because client is providing us. We cannot put anywhere. This data is coming from. This is different. Suppose I am opening. So this data is coming from there. So generally, web app folder we generally put hosting, and after hosting you don't need to do stack, and nothing here you have to. And one more thing, root. Root is also the center. Okay. What is the thing? If you don't put whatever the thing you have put it in your web apps, you have to copy paste to your root also. Okay, if your root is nothing, you will not able to do, you will not able to get the .com. So whatever you have to copy paste on. So see what is inside the root. I'm showing. And the scientific, whatever the things there, we need to just copy paste also in the root. So, same thing in the root. Root should not be blank. It is also concept. Okay, these things are basically hosting purpose. I have told you. Now coming to the database portion. Database portion also the server also providing the database. So we have to our own database as the scientific. So this is the scientific database, and this is the PHP MyAdmin. Who are much aware about the PHP MyAdmin? Have anyone used in our team PHP MyAdmin? Anyone have used PHP MyAdmin? No. Like Priyanka Priyadarshini, have you used PHP MyAdmin?
Sir.
Have you used PHP for MyAdmin?
No, sir.
No. Okay. The PHP MyAdmin is basically you need to understand. Okay, what are the because if you not, I will give you one day. The more thing. Okay. In the PHP MyAdmin, there is the database we need to create. So database like you can create from SQL also. Write down, put your query here, and you can create database like query and this one how the database is created. Okay, Manisha. Manisha Maji, are you there?
Yes, sir,
Manisha
I'm
Maji.
there.
Okay, yesterday I have give you one one DB backup. Can you give me?
Pardon, you are not audible.
I am telling that I have given you the DB backup, no?
DB backup. Yes.
Yeah, that file I need. I need to show them how the PHP might.
Okay, I'm sending to you.
That's
Manisha, here. So here you can also create your database, but generally we don't do it because we already have in our database in our MySQL workbench. So we need to just import it in our server. So how? Acha, Manisha, you are with your screen. Can you share your screen? Manisha or any other team? I am giving you any other who have joined from MySQL workbench. You have the data. I will give you how to host.
Yes, wait a second.
Today class whole will be go to your server concept. After that I will give you log. Log is also there. Then I will come to collection. Basically in collection today I will only go analyst and iterator you guys know iterator I will Manisha, when you have completed, please tell me, okay?
Hello, sir. Sir, I have a question, sir. So, what is the difference between MySQL, Yog, and Workbench, sir?
MySQL and
Yog.
Yog.
Yeah.
Where is Yog? What is Yog? I don't know.
No, I have just heard one word, sir. So I just asked you.
Voice is not audible, sir.
I don't know Yog. MySQL Workbench, that platform you store your data in your local.
Okay, okay. Because I heard that word, sir, MySQL Yog. So I just asked you what is the difference.
Okay, you can Google there.
Yeah.
This is basically tool where we need to use. You see, MySQL Workbench. There is PostgreSQL also there. PostgreSQL you guys heard or not? Where it is generally whatever the government project is going on inside our India. PostgreSQL is very advanced.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Postgres MySQL Workbench. So MySQL Workbench is generally our DRDO or any other like ISRO. They are not using these things like MySQL Workbench because there is a kind of threat. They are directly using Postgres, and I will have my machine Postgres. I will give you one demo also. Postgres also. Postgres generally when you are going for the like big like you are going for applying for the ISRO, they will ask, have you used Postgres? They will give you that time the Postgres demo. Okay, Manisha, have you
Yes,
done?
sir. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, share your screen. So there is basically two things. Whenever inside your team you will share the project, then only share in the zip file. And when you are going for any hosting, then you have to use your.
Sandeep sir, is it visible?
Yeah, it's visible. Okay, Manisha, can you give me the control?
Yes.
That's a request for me. I have. Okay, accept my request. Okay. So this is one world. Um, can you- Okay, in that list. Okay. Okay, whenever you are exporting, you need to understood that here in the left hand side this is the database and the right hand side this is the table. So this is the whatever the tables inside the word you can see, and you can system you can also see whatever the tables you have. So according to your choice, sometimes what happens you don't need that host company, so you can uncheck. So the details is not going to export. So like in world, okay, I am going to export the world. So in the world you have to just click. So according to the world database, you have that all in the all you will get the city, country, all. So I'm exporting. So in the next option there is there data structure and data. So sometimes what happens we need only structure. The structure is means the table structure. But sometimes what we need is structure plus data. So according to choice, we will take it. Right now I am only taking the structure only. Structure is given. What is that? Now here self-contained file and storage folder. So we generally dump file which is already selected. You self-contained, then you have to also can also go for there. So no need to here SQL you are dump. So generally SQL is needed. SQL files we need to open. Dump is not required. And after that start export. You can this is the location where your the export will going to happen. So just start from here. So it is export completed. Now Manisha. Okay, can you go to your C documents inside documents? Hello Manisha, can you go to your documents folder? Hello, I'm audible.
Yes, you are audible.
Go to your documents folder and open this dump SQL file. I'm not able to see anyone. You are opening or not?
Is it
Document.
visible now?
Yeah, visible. Go to documents. This is the file I have done. So we need to just right click here. And yesterday I have teach and open it. So whenever you are able to note that. Hello Manisha. Did it open?
Yes.
Not
Wait.
able to see. Open in Notepad.
It is already open.
Already open. Okay, the whole
Yes.
text that Notepad send to my WhatsApp. Send to my okay. Okay, basically, what I'm going to do. That there's a two types of making the table. One is normal, by manually you can create the table, and another one is through that ASQL export, because many times you need to export your table from your export uh, from your database, because you are working in the backend, the local server, so you have to export from there and put in your server. Okay, if Manisha said me, then confirm.
Remote control is there for you.
No. Send in my WhatsApp, because I server is right now in my.
Will I send the full file to you?
Yeah, full notepad you have to send.
Okay.
Send in notepad. Who are very freshers, they just understood how the work we will do, how you are going to allocate in the project, and you are working under my leadership, then that time these things required. And who are left the meeting, they just ignore them, or not able to do that. Whenever I am working with you, I will ask these things, and I will also ask why you have not done that when I was giving you the training. I will simply ask you with a zip file with the jar. Send. Thank you. As Manisha shared me, so my screen visible, huh? I paste it. Hello, my screen visible? Anyone respond?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Screen is visible.
So this is the script. This script is named as SQL script, where we need to just create the tape. We need to take it, not full, and I'm just putting in my server. In the server, you need to go SQL. The SQL you need to put that file. Table name. This is our database name. This is our table name. So I am going to create more city. It is not there. And this go. Cannot add the foreign constraint. Okay. Inside is SQL query. Some foreign key has. Foreign key related things, how to add in foreign key. You cannot direct from query, you cannot add foreign key. So you have to just for this you have to manually do it. Quality is not allowed. So we have created one city column. So see how it is simple. Very simple we have created because we don't need to write all the things. Through that SQL tuple, SQL script, we just copy it and just we have created. So like that you can create more tables within a second. So these things you must know whenever you are doing. Then I'm just one more I'm creating. Entering process. Always put database name. Do not put database name, it will throw error. Okay. So country is also created. So these things I have created. So this is called browse. Browse is generally data where you can see the data. So if we don't have data structure, here you will find a structure of SQL where we can put the query related thing and search. Search is basically don't need to do. We have to go for operation. What are the operations we generally do? See, this is the generally operations required. What is trigger? Anyone say what is trigger? Can anyone from the group what is trigger? No trigger.
Trigger is basically performing an operation after update, insert, delete query.
Operation will work. Insert after delete is a trigger. Okay. When you are creating create statement, that you have trigger. Fire trigger is something. Operation is executed. That is trigger. Export is also there, like same in our database. Export, you can export here. So you're like export SQL file and CSV, JSON. JSON is required. JSON is generally required. Insert is generally required. Search is required. Search we generally do. Like operator, like operator. So see why we say we have to understand the SQL query. If you don't know the SQL query, you cannot do the search operation. Where the search operation is required, sometimes what happens when we are working, that time I will show to you guys that you are working that public card project. I want the data from month 11 to month November 1 to January 18. In between, what you will use? Anyone? I'm asking you someone. Like Indrayun Chakravarti. You can. I'm asking you that I want the data between November to January. How we can extract November to January? Can you write one SQL query? Here we can say verbally.
What, sir? Can you repeat the question?
2020 to 2021, from 2020 November data to 2021 January. Okay, November, December, January, 3 month data I want from you. So how? What is the SQL query related?
Sir, I think it's select from the table, and I have to write the relevant things.
We can use between also.
Between also not. Between will be. Okay, nothing operator. Like operator is for your for name. between operator we will choose. In the between. Okay, how many null is available in the null key? How many null can be required? How many default values can be available for a unique key? How many default values for a unique? Can anyone answer? For unique key, how many default values there? Manisha, you can tell me how many default values for a unique key?
Sir, not null, sir.
How many? 1, 2, 3. How many default values for a null unique key? Only one default value is allowed in our unique key. Okay, these things generally required.
The unique key, sir, I think it's integer, right?
Unique integer.
So what is the question, sir? I'm not getting the question.
How many default values for a unique key? You can Google it now. What I'm asking, you can Google it. You can get the answer. How many default values for unique?
One now.
So there is only one default value, that is null. We can allow, and unique key is not an integer. Okay, unique key is just a feature like primary key, unique key.
Yeah, sir. Oh, sir, I didn't got the question actually.
So why we use unique key in our table?
To reduce the duplicates data.
To reduce. There's nothing comes like
reduce to eliminate the duplicate data.
Yeah, it does not allow duplicacy in our table.
Yeah.
Okay.
Redundancy data.
If you allowed unique key, like something here you can see structure. The term like structure info something change. Okay, I want to change. So here is the option. Null, not null. So here is this is the unit. And also here is also there's nothing like primary key term. You need to understand auto increment correlation with condition, nothing like that. Your primary key is unsigned or signed? Unsigned or binary? Anyone tell me which option will be suitable for primary?
সেখানটা ঘুমাক্ষণি
Acha, other can mute yourself who are not participating. Please mute. So what should be the good for primary key? Unsigned with zero field or the update current time? Manisha, tell me what is for primary key? Unsigned.
Unsigned.
Unsigned with zero field. What is the suitable? Primary key cannot be binary.
It can be.
Can be. Okay, let I am creating one primary key with binary. What is the error? Okay, primary key can be int character. Can I set primary key as a character float? Pranesh Kulkarni.
Sir.
Pranesh, yeah. Can I set primary key as a float?
No, sir. We have to make it as int.
Can put it. यार यही सब पूछते हैं लोग इंटरव्यू में, यही सब नहीं पता. We have the syntax error. Binary not allowed. Binary is not allowed. So binary not allowed. No binary. Binary not allowed. Okay, and here unsigned is allowed. Whatever my knowledge is unsigned is, and in the guys float is yeah, float allowed. Float allowed.
Okay, sir.
So you need to understand these things. You have to go check whenever you are going for interview. Only float is also allowed in primary. Just checking. So these things you need to understand. Okay, you can draw the table also and all. So this is the basic things that I have learned you that how to do the database setup and SQL export and do inside the server. Hosting details I have given to you. Nothing more like that. If you are one more thing that is log. Log, what is that log? Anyone say me what is logs? हाँ सर क्यों कुछ हुआ है क्या हाँ 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 ठीक है वो लोगों को बता दूँ अच्छा से ठीक है what is log? See, log we can see what is log generally where we get the errors of our data, whatever the errors, this is the log. So we need to check log. So a lot of log you can see. So like in your console, whenever you are writing something program in your Eclipse, you are getting console error. So same thing also in server also. There is something like log. So we need to download this log. You can download. You can download this Catalina log and you can open. You can read it. What are the errors is coming. So log reading is also a capability for a developer. Okay. Okay, one more thing that I am also going to teach you. These things are basically very clear. Server related full concept I am giving to you. Okay. How the war is making, how Zeek is making, how you will do the hosting, how you make the database management, and all unique key, primary key, all the things you need to understand. This is the whole concept of, and nothing more like that. And for database, if you want to create a data like that, if you use the Facebook, you can add database also. So this is the thing. Now I am going to give you one more thing. Your Eclipse is also your Java, your Tomcat is also providing a local server. See how your Tomcat providing local server. You don't need always server. You have also a Tomcat server. That is your inbuilt machine server. That is great. Here you can also host your application and you can check it. So you can go to the program files. This is the Postgre I'm using. Acha, Manisha, can you share your screen? Manisha, share one thing I want to show you. Hello, Manisha, are you there?
Yes.
Share your screen. Share your screen. Nothing you have to do. Just share your screen. One more thing I will show you guys. This is the basic thing you need to require before the coding. I will definitely coding also. This is the basic stuff. Manisha,
I have closed it. Wait a second.
nothing you have to open. Just share your screen. In a folder, I have to show you. So one inbuilt server is there. You see. Okay, give me the control. See, have you installed Apache Tomcat?
Yes, it is installed.
ऊपर ऊपर ऊपर
Installed.
Okay, any other from your team? You have to install Apache Tomcat, then you can share.
I am not able to understand what you told now.
No, I told you that you have installed Apache Tomcat. So there is in C folder, there is an Apache folder. That folder.
Yes.
So is that folder available here? From Manisha, others also. You have that folder, then you can share. You don't want to waste the time. You have to. Except Manisha, any other? You don't have anyone. The Apache folder. Priyanka Priyadarshani, Amit Palsi, lot of people are there. You don't have the Apache folder in your C drive. Yeah, this one is Apache Tomcat. No, this is inside Equip. No, it is not. Okay, no one here. Amit Palsi, Arka Sarkar, you have installed Apache Tomcat. Arka, Swarppoint, Samantha, anyone you don't have? Manisha, I'm audible. Okay, leave it if you don't want to. Actually, what there verbally I am telling. If you don't have, the next day I will give you. Your Apache Tomcat server is also providing inbuilt server. You don't have to go to your hosting kit also. You can go Apache Tomcat server. There is something like a exe file where you can host your WAR file directly. And through your localhost 880, this whenever you run your that localhost 880 directly connects, and you can have inbuilt server in your own system. You don't need to always require hosting it. Okay, this thing, that's why I'm calling. Yeah, that one. Okay, Manisha, give me the control. Yeah, that one. Okay, inside the web app, here you can host your one war file. Okay, Manisha, open your Eclipse and make a war. Hello, Manisha. I'm audible. Manisha, I'm audible. Hello, Manisha.
Yes, you are audible.
Why you are not responding? I'm telling open your Eclipse and make a war file of your project. Or you have the war file, you can so any war file you have, inbuilt war file right now. Just copy paste here. If you are not able to understand, you can ask. Manisha. Hello, Manisha.
Yes, you are audible. Say.
I'm saying what I have told you. Have you understood?
Yes.
You have any war file right now? No need to open the
No.
Eclipse. You
No.
don't have any war.
No.
Okay, nothing more. I will take the time. Only 5 minutes.
Next, what to do?
Yeah, make war file. You have your machine has an inbuilt hosting. How you will say?
Your voice is very low.
Yeah, I'm telling. Just make a war. Any project, any project, you have to just make.
The control is given to you.
Okay. No, you can also make. No? You're not able to control. You don't know how to control. Just right click on the project. Silver, I already told you don't make a project. Folder I am putting. Open your app folder. Go to your app folder. That one. Copy. Copy. Go to that folder in the FFF.
Yes.
Just paste it.
The next one.
Paste. Control V.
Control V.
Hello, you have stopped here. Not able to.
No.
Go to folder. Go to folder and paste it. Anisha, are you there?
I'm there already.
हाँ सुनिए सर हाँ हो गया आप स्टॉक शेयर कर दीजिए टाइम ऑलरेडी खाने हाँ बंद कर दीजिए मैं लोग आउट दिखा अच्छा guys for today whatever the hosting details I have given to you